Telegram is one of the most popular messaging platforms, known for its speed, security, and flexibility. Now, with the Telegram desktop online extension for Chrome, you can access Telegram directly from your browser without installing additional software. This extension, available through Run apps over OFFI docs, offers a convenient way to stay connected, whether you're using a public computer or simply prefer a browser-based experience. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Telegram Desktop Online and press Enter. Click on the extension from the results, then select Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking Add Extension, and in seconds, the extension will be ready to use. Once installed, click the extension icon in your Chrome toolbar to launch Telegram. Log in using your phone number, and you will receive a verification code on your mobile device. Enter the code, and your chats will instantly sync across all your devices. The Telegram Desktop Online extension allows you to send messages, share files, join channels, and manage group chats, all within your browser. You can also enjoy features like voice messages, stickers, and Telegram bots, making it just as functional as the standalone desktop app. For enhanced productivity, this extension supports multiple chats in a single window, easy file sharing, and cloud synchronization, ensuring you never lose important data. Since it runs online, there's no need for updates or additional installations. With Telegram Desktop Online, you get all the benefits of Telegram without taking up space on your device. Try it today and experience the convenience of using Telegram directly from your browser. Explore more tools and products on GoSearch. Find the link in the description.